Alright, so this side Sunny, you know me very well from Checkmate IT Tech. So in last video we just saw what are the different phases. We already know about the planning where we sit together. In design phase, so it's more like we have a technical team from the design, which is UI and UX, user interface related people, and user design, which they know very well which kind of the front UI, which is the front look of the software they wanted to show to the business people. You always sit with them. So I think so business analysts sometimes are involved in this phase too, but it's not mandatory. But your main job is just to sit with them and just analyze what are the front UI actually they want, and in that way, so that you can show some mock-up in the front screen, or you just do draw something on the paperwork and you actually show some visuals to the business people. Okay, you want us to develop something like this is what our understanding is, and in actual this will look like this in future. So so everything goes in the paperwork, and actually you more into it's more into where you want this to be visualized, maybe on paperwork or maybe some different softwares. Once you get enrolled, you will get to know more about what kind of different softwares you will be involved in. Until then, subscribe and wait for the next video.